So today we're going to be talking about the vitamin C serum. So the site says that it creates new collagen and restores structure and elasticity to the skin. It exfoliates deep into the skin for an enhanced glow and youthful radiance. It helps to repair the skin down to the cellular level, which is a big claim. It does cost $28.88 on the website at COUI Don't forget, down in my description box there is a coupon code. All right, so I've already pulled off the seal and I've given it a good shake. So now I'm just gonna take it out and I'm just gonna take a little bit onto my fingers.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the skin.
It's not like a sticky serum. It doesn't even feel like an oily skin serum. It feels just very soft. Alright guys, so don't forget to go to COUIskincare.com to check out this vitamin C serum with 20% serum, which is far more than many other companies give you. This is perfect for the advanced anti-aging formula. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. And don't forget the coupon in the description box. Alright guys, see you later. Bye!